Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams on your computer. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your PC and sign in with your account. On the left-hand side, click on Calendar. This is where all your upcoming and past meetings are displayed now. Look at the top right corner and click on New Meeting. A scheduling form will open. Here, you can give your meeting a title, add participants by typing their names or email addresses, and choose a date and time. You can also set whether this is a recurring meeting by expanding the Does Not Repeat dropdown and choosing Daily, Weekly, or Custom. Next, you can add a location if needed, or simply leave it as Microsoft Teams Meeting, which will generate an online link in the description box. You can add details, agendas, or notes for participants. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top right. Your meeting will now appear in your Teams calendar, and all participants will get an invite with the meeting link. And that's it. You've just scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.